beautiful Tacloban, Leyte, Philippines. Oh, they're gone. You have a nice barbecue place there with a 24-hour gym. You can do your jogging here. Now it's a bit too much water. I don't know why they didn't make more also go away. And they do have a little bit of beach right there. So my first day in Tacloban, really nice, very friendly people. Matagal ako dito sa Pinas, tatang taon. I've never been here, pero the people here are so friendly. Like I was saying, I've been here 3 years in the Philippines, but I've never been to Tacloban. And I don't know if that's from like a year ago, whatever, the Baguio, the typhoons. But yeah, very interesting place. Not so many foreigners so far, which is a great thing if you compare to Dumaguete, which has a lot of them.